So I got invited to Mexico for a wedding. Let's go.
VagaBondVito.
Alright, so I've been hitting beaches non-stop for like the last 4 months. And you gotta admit, Cancun has got the cleanest, freshest, bluest, most beautiful water in the whole world, I think. I mean, there's a lot of beaches I haven't been to, but this has gotta be right up there with it. And I heard they had a red tide problem, but there is not any seaweed in sight. Tonight I gotta go sneak into the Hyatt Ziva. That's where the wedding's at. So all my friends are chilling by the beach. So hopefully I could somehow cut through over here. Alright, just checking in. The sun's about to set. Getting panties wet.